Zep AI is making waves as a memory platform for AI agents, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving straight into whether this platform is truly the best choice for managing your AI interactions or just another overhyped tool. Zep AI positions itself as a memory platform designed specifically for AI agents, allowing them to remember user interactions and preferences over time. At its core, Zep aims to enhance user experience by creating a more personalized interaction with AI. You can think of it as a way to give your AI a bit of a memory boost, so it doesn't forget past conversations or preferences. The user interface is relatively straightforward, which is a plus for those who may not be tech savvy. It feels intuitive, but some features might leave you scratching your head if you're looking for deeper customization. One area that stands out is Zep's focus on privacy and data security, which is crucial in today's digital landscape. However, I did find some aspects lacking detailed explanations, which could be a hurdle for new users trying to get the most out of the platform. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Zep AI offers a unique approach to memory for AI agents, which could lead to more meaningful interactions. The user-friendly design is definitely a highlight, especially for beginners. However, the platform isn't without its flaws. Some users might be frustrated by the limited customization options. If you're someone who loves tweaking every detail, you might find Zep a bit restrictive. Additionally, while Zep emphasizes security, the overall transparency about data usage and storage could be clearer. For those who are cautious about privacy, this might raise some red flags. Overall, I'd say Zep AI is best suited for users who want a straightforward memory tool without too many bells and whistles. In conclusion, Zep AI has a lot to offer, especially for those looking for a simple memory platform for their AI agents. If you prioritize ease of use and privacy, it could be worth a try. However, if you are after extensive customization and detailed transparency, you might want to explore other options.